Let's talk for a moment about display rules. Display rules are the implicit rules that we have about emotions in our family. This is sometimes called the emotion philosophy that we have. And it's not about the experience of the emotion, but rather the judgment that we have as to whether an emotion is okay or not. So, sadness, as an example, if we've grown up in a household where every time we feel sad, a parent rushes in, tries to fix it, or doesn't allow space for that sadness, we might then, as adults, experience sadness as bad. Because of your parents' reaction to your sadness, you haven't developed the skills that allow you to process sadness effectively. And this can show up in sometimes really tough ways in our adult lives. For example, we might feel sadness and push it aside, or we might internalize the sadness and experience it as resentment or holding on to grudges, or we might force positivity in ourselves, berating ourselves for feeling sad or persuading ourselves that we should be grateful. I'm curious as to how display rules are showing up or have shown up in your life, whether that relates to sadness or something else. And also, I just wanted to start this conversation because I think it's helpful for us to think about it in relation to our own parenting or the children that we love.